Hello, Mzansi, it's a Gossip Girl. Juicy J just turned 25 years old and he invited all of the Big Brother housemates. So Jareed and Liema attended the mini party, and later that evening, Jareed tweeted, "No Liema slander or hate will be tolerated. If you are part of the Jareed family, we love and appreciate her. That's always been our mandate." So I guess that Jareed was, sending a message to his fan base saying that please do not troll Liema just because of you are seeing me and Liema in one space. So I love how mature Jareed is and how he is protective of Liema. Let me know in the comment section what you think, Mzansi. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any videos, you guys do not miss anything. Bye bye, Mzansi.